Welcome to today's crochet tutorial. In this video, we'll create a beautiful bunch of flowers keychain, a delightful accessory for your bag or keys. This project also makes a thoughtful handmade gift. We'll be using 3mm yarn and a 2.5mm crochet hook. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial. Let's get started. For round 1, begin with a magic ring. Work 5 single crochets into the ring and join with a slip stitch to close the round. Tip: keep your stitches even to create a smooth, round center. You're off to a great start. Next, for round 2, chain 3. Then repeat the following 5 times, 1 double crochet and 1 chain. Finish with a slip stitch. Tip: keep your chains the same height for neat petal spacing. You've just outlined the petals. Now for round 3. Change to a new yarn color for contrast. Chain 2, then repeat 6 times. 1 bobble stitch followed by a chain. Join with a slip stitch. Tip: pull up your loops in the bobble stitch to give it a nice puff. Your flower is looking lovely. For round 4, repeat the following 6 times. Single crochet, 2 double crochets, and 1 single crochet in the next space. Slip stitch to finish the round. Tip: work loosely here so the petals look soft and rounded. Your flower is now complete and full. Now we'll make the leaf. For row 1, chain 16. Tip: don't pull too tight to keep the chain smooth. This will be the base of your leaf. Turn your work. Skip the first chain. Crochet as follows: 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 treble crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet, then chain 1. Continue with 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 treble crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet, then chain 1. Tip: adjust your tension to keep the curve of the leaf balanced. Your leaf is taking shape. Repeat the same pattern on the other side. Single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, treble crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, single crochet, chain 1. Then again, single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, treble crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, single crochet. Finish with a slip stitch. Tip: maintain symmetry to make the leaf look natural. The leaf is now complete. Now crochet the hanging strap. Simply chain and work back in single crochet until you reach the length you want. Then fasten off and weave in the ends. Tip: adjust the strap based on how and where you plan to use the keychain. Your keychain is almost done. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed making this bunch of flowers keychain. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step crochet tutorials. See you next time. Happy crocheting!